Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kinkdiva and I remain precious Ero-aebu, your humble host. Today is wash day and I'm going to be showing you guys how I shampoo my hair and make it all soft and smooth using a homemade recipe which I made with my normal house supplies. Stay tuned and watch to the end. So guys, what I'm going to be doing today is a very pretty nice step-by-step process to make my hair soft. The first step I'm going to take is massage my scalp, going in a circular motion. This is because I held in a cornrow for over a month, so I need to massage my scalp because I haven't had the liberty to do that. I'm just going to keep massaging my scalp, and after we're done, we're going to move over to the next step. So guys, the next step I would do is to divide my hair in two sections. I am a lover of working on my natural hair in sections. Is the best way to work on your natural hair. It prevents your hair from tangling and getting in the way. So I have divided my hair in two sections. I'm prepping my shower so that I can start washing my hair. That is my shampoo, the homemade shampoo. Yeah guys, don't worry, I'm going to post a video of the recipe very soon so you guys can get to see it. So for now, just learn how I use it on my hair and apply it on my hair. So the first or the next step I have to do is to dampen my hair with some water. Then I apply the shampoo and I concentrate more on my roots because that is where all the dirt and the uh, product buildup would really sit. So when you're washing your hair, make sure to concentrate more on the roots. I normally wash up to 3 times, but I think this time around I washed twice because my hair did not feel as dirty as I thought it would be. So that's my first wash, and I'm gonna go in with a shampoo again like I did before. As you guys can see, the hair is getting cleaner, it's foaming out more. So at this point I would detangle and put my hair in a twist out. So that's what I have to do right now. So at this point I am sectioning my hair into smaller sections, finger detangling my hair, and then putting my hair into flat twists, of course after combing it with a wide tooth comb. This will take a while. So this whole process took me about an hour to finish. Normally it takes longer, but this time around it took an hour. That was really impressive. I didn't think that I would do all of that in an hour, but wow, it came out all nice. My hair was really soft at the end of the day. I didn't lose much hair. The hair I lost was so small in comparison to what I usually lose before. And being that I haven't combed my hair in a month, I was really impressed by how much it had improved and cooperated with me. So I will be sharing with you guys a little of the changes I had in my regimen. Just keep watching and you get to learn. So guys, I'm doing the exact same thing on the other section of my hair. But first I have to rinse off the section I just shampooed. So I'm applying my shampoo to my hair. Of course, after dampening it with some water, I normally put two of my finger above the lid of my shampoo, and then I just apply it that way. Or I bring it close to my scalp and apply it, because for now I don't have an application bottle, so I'm just managing this for now. So again, I'm going to scrub my scalp and concentrate more on my scalp and the roots of my hair. Rinse off the first wash and then do the next one. And after that, I would section my hair into smaller sections and then make twist outs, and I'm good to go. I rinse my hair off and I'm good to go. My hair feels so soft. Oh my god. It's been a while I had a soft hair, because, well, my hair has been locked out for a long time. Keep watching, guys. Stay tuned. So it's time to do a single strand twist on the other section after the shampoo process. So I'm going to finger detangle mostly before I use my wide tooth comb to comb my hair. So I'm working in sections again. Remember, I love working in sections. It makes the work easier. It makes your hair, you know, to be safer. It helps your hair to be safer. It doesn't make it helps your hair to be safer, and it prevents your hair from all the snapping and cutting and shedding and all that stuff. So I'm just going to finger detangle mostly before I use my comb, my wide tooth comb. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just going to twist it out, and it's good to go. Repeat the process until I'm done, and I rinse off my hair. Then I would damp it with a towel a little bit before I put on my silk scarf for, protection against breakage. Keep watching, guys. So guys, this is the quantity of hair I lost. Normally I lose more than this, but I was so impressed after 1 month of protective hairstyling. So guys, don't forget to protect your hair with a silk scarf. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.